Good morning, students. Today's we are studying about the next part of the number systems. The Roman number 2. Write the following in decimal expansion. Okay, write the following in decimal expansion. First question is 36 divided by 100. Okay, this is in the form of rational number. The upside number is numerator and downside number is denominator. Okay, how you divide it? You already studied in 6th 7th class. Okay, how you divide it? It's divided by division method. Okay, numerator is dividend and denominator is divisor. You can divide it. 100 can divide 36. It is not possible. That's why I take 100 zeros are 0. 6 minus 0, 0. 3 minus 0, 0. Again 36. You put point here. Take 0. You got 36. Now in 100 tables it is possible to have 360. It is not possible. Take less than 360. 100 3s are 300. Now subtract it. 0 minus 0, 0. 6 minus 0, 6. 3 minus 3, 0. Now put 0 from ourself. Okay, put 0 from ourself. Next 100 6 are 600. 100 6 are 600. Write 0 0 0. Your answer is 0.36. Your reminder is 0, means you should write it is a terminating. Why should you write here terminating? Why means our reminder is 0. That's why I write here terminating. This is the first question. Okay. Now next, go to second question. Second question is 1 by 11. You divide by same form in division method. Numerator inside, denominator outside. In 11 tables 1 is not come. That's why I take 11 zeros are 0. 1 minus 0 is 1. Give point, take 0. Again it is not possible. That's why not give from yourself. Okay, you give 0 and take 0. Why I am giving here 0? Is after decimal you cannot take 0 from yourself. Okay, put 0 and take 0. Next 11 nines are 99. You borrow 1 1 1 10. 10 minus 9 1. 9 minus 9 0 and 0 as it is. Here your remainder and dividends are same. That's why you can stop here. If your dividend and remainder is same, means you can stop and put the bar line to these two numbers 0 and 9. Your answer is 0.09 bar. Okay, it is what type of decimal? Terminating or non-terminating? If your remainder is 0, means it is terminating. If your remainder is not 0 means it is non terminating. Okay, it is non terminating decimal expansion. For move to the next third question. Third question is in the form of mixed form. Okay, first you converted into rational form. It is the mixed form. First you converted into rational form. How you converted into rational form? First you multiply the 8 4s are 32. 32 plus 1 33. 33 by 8. Okay, is the rational form. And next start division. Dividend inside and divisor outside. 8 4s are 32. Remainder is 1. Give point, take 0. 8 2s are 8 1s are 8. Now 2 remaining. 0 from ourselves. 8 2s are 16. 4 remaining. 0 from ourselves. 8 5s are 40. Here remainder is 0. Your remainder is 0. If your remainder is 0 means what you say? It is terminating or non-terminating? It is terminating. Okay, is the third question of the second Roman number second. Now move to the Roman number 3. Roman number 3. Express the following in P by Q form. Okay, it is given in the decimal form. You write in a rational form. Now first question, 0.6 bar. It is in the decimal form. Okay, first you think, let us x equal to 0.6 bar. X equal to 0.6 bar. Next, both side multiply by 10. 10 into x equal to 10 into 0.6 bar. 10 into x, 10x. When you multiply 10 into 0.6, you got 6.6 bar. How come 6? Here 0.6 bar means 6 6 6 6 6 6 6. Okay, you take next 6 to here. This one 6 is this and next 6 is this one. Okay, bar. And next step, subtract x from both side. Subtract x from both side. That why 10x minus x equal to 6.6 bar minus x. Okay, understand? Next step, 10x minus x, 9x equal to 6.6 bar minus 0.6 bar. 6 bar minus 6 bar, 0.6 minus 0, 6. Your answer is 6.0, that's why I write here 6. Next, x equal to 6 divided by 9. You divide it. 3 3s are 9, 3 2s are 6. X equal to 2 by 3. It is in the rational form. I think you understand. Okay. Thank you, students.